Ever feel like the world is running faster than ever? Well, as a supply chain manager, I know you get it. Every second counts, and every detail matters. So let's break down the 5 essentials of a successful supply chain explained simply, so you can keep things moving smoothly and stay ahead of the game. First up, planning. Think of this as laying out the blueprint before building a house. I need to forecast demand, analyze trends, and align my resources. When I nail the plan, everyone from procurement to delivery knows exactly what's coming next. It's all about being proactive, not reactive. Next, sourcing. This is where I find and select reliable suppliers, people I trust to deliver quality materials on time, every time. Sourcing isn't just about getting the cheapest deal, it's about building long-term relationships with partners who have my back, especially when things get tough. Third, making. This is the engine room, the manufacturing or assembling of products. Here, efficiency is everything. I focus on reducing waste, improving processes, and making sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Because the faster and more accurately we make things, the quicker we can get them out the door. Now, delivering. This is where all the hard work pays off. I coordinate transportation, manage warehouses, and track shipments, all to make sure the right product gets to the right customer at the right time. Customer satisfaction, that's the name of the game here. Finally, returning. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Products get damaged or customers change their minds. That's where returns come in. Handling returns efficiently means managing reverse logistics, minimizing losses, and turning unhappy customers into loyal ones. I treat returns not as a hassle, but as another chance to impress. Each component, planning, sourcing, making, delivering, returning, needs to work together in perfect sync. Because if one part slips, the whole chain feels it. So whether I'm mapping out forecasts, vetting suppliers, optimizing production, ensuring speedy delivery, or handling returns with a smile, mastering these 5 essentials is what keeps the supply chain strong and resilient. Remember, in supply chain management, it's not just about moving products, it's about moving businesses forward, and that's what I love about it. If you want more supply chain insights made simple, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next breakdown.